Manhag si Granny karon kay butan daw siya karong adlaw. Kaya na siya gidalang sa ko. Manhag daw siya kay hugaw daw kay iyang kuan, iyang balay. Like, ay! Look! Wait lang. Okay, naandam. Ay, tuwara! Tuwara siya! Wait lang! Okay, run! Okay, elevator, pagdali tayo. Click. Pwede siya maklik, wait lang. Ay, okay. Okay. Bye, Father. Totong sa akong kwaong diri. Okay daw. Let's go. Okay, tama siya. Okay. Mention there. Okay. Kabaluan ni. I don't know this. Okay. Napangdaman guys. Okay, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Wait lang. Di ba ko? Oh my gosh. Ay, giluwaan ko ni guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. She was a skeleton. She was skeleton. Okay. Ada, pukod siya oh. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so magpakamatay na lang takay mahutan ng tagpuras. Okay, let's go. Okay, magpakamatay na ako ng granny.